or the same. Next one, you read step number 2, step number 3, step number 4. Likewise, you have to write the manufacturing technique starting from the raw material to the finished product. Next one is your reference studies. You have to make a Excel sheet ready, like we are doing for the publications. We are writing the serial number, ISSN number, ISBN number, title of the research paper, abstract, conclusion of the invention. Similarly, whenever you are talking about the reference study or referral studies of your patent work, you have to take care of one Excel sheet containing the title of the invention, year of filing, year of publications, abstract, then your novelty, then your claims established for all the related inventions, and your remarks and conclusions. So likewise, you have to make a Excel study properly before filing of a invention under intellectual property rights. Then you have to establish your claims. Claims means what exactly components, what exactly your invention stand for with respect to problem statement. Likewise, minimum 5 claims are required. You'll be surprised. The students of ISBR Bangalore, means before 2 months, I was invited for a faculty development program and student development program. I addressed more than 250 students, management students, and we cultivated more than 50 invention. We filed 50 Indian design patent under intellectual property rights just before 2 days back. Students are being much more cultivated brainstorming invention with their hands. You guys are moving outside, you can understand the societal problem statement. With your knowledge based, with your education based, technology or engineering, whatever you are studying from the or laboratory practices, you please come forward with a problem statement oriented invention for your profile. At least before leaving your Vidya College of Engineering, you're supposed to hold one publication, one book chapter, one patent with your profile. At least one. Every student supposed to learn from, and we are having best to best teachers, professors, highest teachers. Those can properly to define your use case, to define your class of the invention, to define the subclass of your invention, to define your proper, inventive steps of your invention. So likewise, you take a oath that before leaving institute, I supposed to take care of one publications for my profile, research publications, at least one conference, national level conference or international level conference, one national level workshop or international level workshop, one national level seminar or international level seminar, like one publications minimum per semesters, one inventions minimum per semester, one new technology minimum per semester, one new, mm, likewise you have to make your agenda ready, that this much things I have to learn. New software, one new software, designing software, for example, AutoCAD, CATIA V6, SolidWorks, Skyline, Croi, ANSYS softwares. So likewise, you have to take care of at least one new software per semester. If you are computer science, you identify your thrust areas, your interest area, which software we wish to learn from. You make a agenda first. If you are a second year student, make a agenda. You are having not less than 5 semester with hand. So in 5 semester, what 5 software I supposed to learn under guidance of our faculty members? In which area, in which 5 area, I supposed to write 5 research paper for my profile. That's very important. Only theoretical knowledge or lab knowledge is not sufficient nowadays. You have to come forward. You have to go for the tech fest. You can find you are staying near to Delhi. Many more tech fests are going on. To take a leave with the prior permission from your faculties or mentors and visit. You can see new devices, new machines, new invention that will empower your learning interest. If you talk about the intellectual property right and startup, under intellectual property right and innovation, 5 verticals are there. Patents, or you can say utility patent, Indian design registration, copyright, geographical indication, and trademarks, and industrial design, software designs. 6 verticals are there. Once again, I repeat: utility patent, Indian design registrations, copyright, geographical indication, trademark, and circuit designs. Intellectual property right or patents having the highest research credential in academic system. The API you are scoring for the accreditation, if you are available one Indian patent with the profile, you are earning 7 APIs for your profile. If you are earning one international patent grant, you are earning 10 API for your profile. Where people accomplishing their PhD, they are getting 5 API for the credentials. I am the head of institution of more than 7 universities for the intellectual property rights. All top-notch universities here in India. KIT University, KIT is the biggest university here in India now with 40,000 students, 32 campuses. Lovely Professional University, VIT Vellore, VIIT Pune, Symbiosis University, MIT groups, Rai universities. We are engaging students into research activity in terms of patent grants and publications. If you talk about the procedures are very simple. Likewise, you have to bring one invention, make its outline draft ready as per the requirement of intellectual property rights. You can download the forms from the internet. You have to file it individually. You can publish it individually. You can apply the examination individually. You can sit for the final hearing with the controller of examination even individually, without help of any attorney. Government of India intellectual giving that much priority and that much flexibility for individual professors and individual students even. Like your Facebook and LinkedIn, you can register online and you can make your digital stamps or digital signature. You can buy it or purchase it, and you can file your own invention properly. Procedures are already listed with the IP website. Otherwise, you can hire one attorney and you can process your patents. If you talk about the patents, if you need to work for the drafting, then filing, then publication, then application for the examination, then examination report submission, then final hearing with the controller of examination, then submission of amendment document or amended document you can say, then patent grant. Similarly, if you talk about the design registrations, using different software like your Category 6 and SolidWorks, you can design your invention. You need to generate use of the invention using 2 reference sheets. You have to showcase the use case, the class, the subclass of the invention. You have to file. After filing, you can find your name, your application number, SPR number, date of filing, time of filing, everything reflected in the website. Then go for publication. an examination report to generate. You have to submit the examination report as per the question asked by the controller of examinations. You have to take care of the amendment of document. Then you have to take care of the final hearing. It's online process. Everything is online. Final hearing with the controllers. Then it will mark up acceptance and grant out to designs. Similarly, copyright, trademark, geographical indications, all are falling under intellectual property rights, and you can take a what is that called your grant for your invention, or you can secure your invention. Now, what is next after getting a grant? Next, after getting a patent grant, to take the reimbursement from MSME Government of India. People are not aware about it. Government of India through MSME offering you a reimbursement of 2 lakh rupees to arrange a Indian patent grant for your profile. It's a simple procedure. You have to make a Udyog Aadhaar card number, registered mobile number. You need to put in web link of MSME Government of India. Portal will open. You need to submit your grant certificate. Expenditure certificate duly signed by the head of the institutions. Supporting document asked by the portal. This is a simple procedure. If you are arranging an international patent grant for your profile, it's a reimbursement up to 10 lakh rupees. It's automatic process. No need to meet any concerned authority. It's online process. You can submit your document, bank details, expenditure certificates, supporting document means forms. You need to submit, and it will take minimum 7 months time to process the reimbursement amount. Now what next? After getting the reimbursement, what next? Next, you have to work for the technology transfer. Like patenting procedure, another process is there that is called technology transfer. For that you will get a certificate. Yes, my invention is ready for the market. But before making any invention, make it very sure you are addressing a problem statement. Now in year of 2024, what I can sell, what is sellable is your problem statement. My medicine kit for the malaria. You address of people who will buy with their requirement. Similarly, research is not all about the copy paste work. Research is all about to understand a particular problem statement with respect to problem statement, how you are bringing the invention to sort out that issue. After getting the technology transfer, you can connect any of MSME established by Government of India, 42 MSMEs. And all MSMEs are giving up to 15 lakh rupees for 10 people in each quarter. That means every MSME Government of India, they are giving 15 lakh rupees to 10 people in each quarter. Every quarter one hackathon is there. You have to appear the interview with the panel members. You have to express your solutions with respect to problem statement, and you have to showcase your invention. So like Government of India through MSME, they are financing more than 15 lakh into 42 into 10 into 3. This much lakhs rupees for the invention promotion. If you are having a right choice, right strategy invention, definitely, if you appear for the interview, definitely you will click on that. Apart from that, 13 software electronics park Government of India is there. No need to invest money from the pocket. आपकी जेब से 2 पैसा खर्चा करने की जरूरत नहीं. 13 MSMEs are there. They are holding 2 proposals, Nidhi Prayas and one is incubation development program. In Nidhi Prayas, you can avail up to 50,000 rupees. And they're providing particular incubation room or facilitating center where you can get the help of the experts, where you can get the help of modern machineries to test and validate your invention. And they're providing up to 2.5 lakh rupees for each invention selected through the rounds. If you are having invention, you can reach nearby electronic software electronic park, government of India. You can approach them that I am having invention with this problem statement. I need a incubation house. They are having different chambers. I am having this incubation house and provide me the opportunity. They will examine your invention. They try to understand your problem statement. With respect to that, they will provide you the opportunity of labs and separate 6 by 8 chamber for you, where you can sit, where you can read, where you can buy the components. You are having ample space, the component manufacture, sorry, invention manufacture, and they are having particular labs. All the electronics, all the electrical, all the mechanical facilities are there. 3D printers are there. Robotic, what is that? Components are available there. You can buy directly from there. Apart from there, every year, all the IITs, NITs, they are organizing hackathon or techathon programs. There also you can, avail some funding opportunities. So likewise, you come with your own problem statement first. That is very important. If your problem statement is strong, this is the prime vertical of every resource. You can pay and you can publish your paper in indexed journal like Scopus, XAI. It's not have that much potential. If you are with your convince based, with your studies based, if you are coming with a single invention and comprise like a particular product and a sellable product in market, you can find 2-3 invention now. I already launched in market. One is your cost-effective thermal matrices to avoid hypothermia for the neonatal patient, and one English translator device. It can convert all the languages into English language. Likewise, you have to take care of, you have to address the problems. And apart from these opportunities, R&D funding opportunities are there. So likewise, into 6 verticals, you have to make your profile ready before getting one graduation certificate. You have to work for your publications. You have to work for at least one chapter per semester. You have to contribute your chapter in a textbook. You have to work for intellectual property in terms of invention grant. You have to work for the R&D fundings. You need to work for the industry consulting. These are the 6 vertical minimum you need to understand, learn, practice before accomplishment of your graduation studies. Any more question?
हेलो सर।
Yes, sir.
मैं पूछना चाहता हूँ कि अगर ये कैसे पता लगे कि ये आइडिया पहले से पिच हो रखा है और इसके ऊपर इन्वेंशन पहले से हो रखी है? हाउ कैन वी आइडेंटिफाई दैट?
Mr. Manoj Kumar Sharma sir,
यस सर।
we are having particular search engine for intellectual property rights. We are having web links like your patent scope. You can search it in Google. You can find patent scope with Google like search engine where you can put your title of invention, and after hitting the search button or related information with respect to your keywords, with respect to your technical practices, or with respect to problem statement, you will click on the website. with held application on the date of filing and date of publication and date of grant with illustrated diagram attached. From there, you can get knowledge of whether the work is already means done by somebody or not. Any
और
more question?
एनी मोर क्वेश्चंस? पार्टिसिपेंट्स में से कोई पूछना चाहता है? सर एक क्वेश्चन और है कि अगर हम सॉफ्टवेयर डेवलप कर रहे हैं तो उसका लाइसेंस और पेटेंट कैसे आइडेंटिफाई किया जाए?
One more time, repeat the question, please.
The question is, if we are developing any software, then how can we find out that this is already done and that patent or license can be identified?
लाइसेंस आपको रजिस्टर्ड वेबसाइट में जाना पड़ेगा, मतलब वो यू हैव टू पुट द नेम ऑफ योर सॉफ्टवेयर. There is a registration, I will share you. There is a registration links, like you are searching your vehicle information by putting your registration number. Similarly, I'll apply as exactly don't remember that software. There you have to put the title. And first of all, let me let you know that softwares are not patented. Softwares are integral part of invention always. Well, only you can't only register the software for the patents.
Okay, that means it is IP.
Yes.
Thank you everyone. Thank you Ramesh sir for your kind words and motivation. And our student will focus on and work on this. Thank you. Thanks a lot. Thanks Dr. Rajiv sir for providing us the platform and the space and time. Thank you very much.